How to deposit money on Draftkings. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, we will need to log into our Draftkings account through the app or on the website. Then we will navigate to the deposit section on the home page, or in the main menu, we gotta look for the deposit button. It's usually gonna be located at the top of the screen or under the My Account section. The third step will be selecting our payment methods. So Draftkings offers a variety of payment options, so we can use credit or debit card, PayPal, online banking, Draftkings, Play Plus, prepaid cards, wire transfer, or gift cards. We have to enter the deposit amount. That's going to be the fourth step after we have selected our payment method and verified the approval. We will need to choose the amount which we want to withdraw. Keep in mind that there might be a minimum deposit amount. It should be $10 depending on promotions and your location. The fifth step will be completing the transaction. We just gotta follow the prompts to enter our payment details. And we have to confirm the deposit amount and submit the transaction. Deposit confirmation: once the transaction is processed, you will see the funds in your Draftkings balance, typically within minutes for most payment methods. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.